it is the Ethernet FeatherWing Ethernet cable. Plug that in. We have the RJ45 connector there. We have network and activity LEDs built in. Feather RP2040. I'm on a quadrupler. I have a little OLED FeatherWing so that we can take a look at some info. And there, right there, is the Ethernet FeatherWing. The code running in CircuitPython does not detect a network, so I'll go ahead and plug in the cable, and when I do, you'll see a couple things happen. You'll see connection and activity lights, and you'll see it has gone to a URL that I specified in code. Right now I'm getting back this info color and then a hex value, which I'm then setting the LED that's built onto, the little NeoPixel that's built onto my Feather to that color. I'll just put a little acrylic shield over it so you can see the color a little better. Here's the product pick of the week this week. It is the Ethernet FeatherWing.